Okay, right there. Now push it in. There you go. That's better.
Welcome to CinnaFam TV. Where are we today?
We're at the Big Cat Habitat, and as you can see, we have a new friend back here.
Cougar behind us.
Say hello.
She is enjoying some shade under there. So beautiful. Look at that tail. Actually, I've heard it go away.
She's like, I'm hot.
Yeah, she looks hot.
I'm a cat. Check me out.
So we are just checking out some of the cats that are here. There's some tigers and lions. We saw some bears and
oh my.
let's go see lions and tigers and bears. Oh my.
Lions
And tigers and bears.
lions and tigers and bears. Oh my.
Let's check this place out. Oh, more bears. Look at these two. Oh, look at him. He's in. Oh, I want to hop in.
You're going to go up here and okay? Oh, she didn't do it high enough. She going to do it again? Yeah, do that one more. Alright, go higher. Okay, right there. Now push it in. There you go. That's better. Okay, who's next?
Jamie, you'll be next.
Okay. There you go, Joel. Here it comes.
Kind of does look like brownie.
That looks like brownie.
Okay, Joel. Okay, you go high. Perfect. Thank you.
Look at the goats.
Look at the goat. Yes, the goat is looking at you. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Yes, you're a cute goat. Yes, you are. Check out the horns. Oh, you like that?
This goat is falling asleep.
Aw, sleepy goat. I think I made a friend.
I need a friend.
Goat butt. What do you think?
Oh, you're so sweet. Photogenic.
Do you like goats?
Oh, that was like pet me. Oh.
If you like goats, hit that like button.
And comment hashtag goats.
Hashtag goats.
I see that.
No, you are in love,
I
aren't
still
you?
want to see the baby goats.
You are so photogenic. Yes, you are. You are so photogenic. What are you doing?
I'm holding the goat, and look how cute this goat is. It's just sitting on my lap and it's super comfortable.
Next pet.
There's a goat sitting on it right now. It's chewing on my thumb.
No, you can't do that. No. This one likes you. Alright, so Caitlin found her new pet. Her little buddy, the baby goat, who's so sweet and just is loving Caitlin. Caitlin's loving this baby goat, so
It's so cute.
it's adorable. It's so sweet and it's so soft. What a baby. Alright.
I think they're baby goats.
There's much more to see, so don't go anywhere.
All right, we're at the Big Cat Sanctuary, Big Cat Habitat, and it's a 501c3. They have 50 cats here, 5-0. So most major zoos have 5 or 6 cats. This has, however you do it, it's a lot of cats. So we've got one big one out here. They rotate them. They have so many through like all the cages, and they're smaller habitats, but they're well fed. I can tell you, nobody here looks skinny. It's a challenge to feed them. They're fed 25 pounds of meat a day per cat, times 50. If you do the math, comment down below because it's a lot of meat. So it's a 501c3. Look it up. We're in Florida, I think somewhere near Sarasota. It's called the Big Cat Habitat, and maybe make a donation.
Check it out.
It's been a lot of fun.
Yes. Guys, I'll show you this way. Oh, there's alligators. North American alligators.
Alligators back there.
I wonder what's next. Oh.
Look, it's the alligator Mississippian. Like Mississippi doesn't have enough S's and I's in it to start with. We'd have to come up with a longer one.
You guys, I'll give you a hint for this next animal. It's basically a big version of a guinea pig that really likes water.
Ooh, give me 5 seconds to comment down
Comment
below.
down below. Do it, do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I see him.
Do you know what it is? It's your last chance. Can you see it?
5,
It's, what is it, Caitlin?
3, 2, 1. It's a capybara.
It's like a giant guinea pig. It's like the largest rodent, I think. I don't know if it's the largest rodent, but it's a pretty big rodent.
And they're
It's a little
so
smelly.
Oh, it's really
Cute.
smelly, actually. Giant rodents.
Hey, you know what? You know what? There's camels here. What day is today? Hump day!
It is. Guess what day it is?
Hump day.
Oh, look at the llamas. That's good.
Guys, watch
The rainbow lorikeet. So pretty. And then over here, oh, look at her.
My daughter got it. I lost her.
She's really pretty. I've never seen a bird that color before.
That's tiny.
What'd you say?
His name is Heineken. And the other one up there is Market.
Thanks for watching our vlogs, and thanks for watching the Big Cat Habitat vlog. And make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll have more Florida vacation videos for you guys.